2006, armed men attacked our home and they shot my dad in the face. By some miracle, he survived. But 1 month later, he woke up one morning and he couldn't see out of one eye. After the incident, he didn't get proper eye care. The choice was clear. I had to become the eye doctor he never had. So I became an optometrist, not out of ambition, but desperation to save my father's remaining vision. I have identified 5 lessons. Number 1, pain can lead to purpose. Sometimes your calling doesn't just appear in a dream. It can kick your door down, and you have to do something about it. Number 2, you don't need to have it all figured out before you start. I had no 5-year plan. I just had a problem I could not ignore. Number 3, you can become what is missing. No optometrist was nearby, so I became one. Number 4, start from where you are with what you have. Big missions often begin with deeply personal moments. And number 5, which is my favorite, impact is superior to income. Let your work make a difference and not just earn you a living.